Hello, this is Terry from Fabric Junction, and today I'm going to show you a great quilt using half square triangles. It creates a huge block, goes together very, very fast, and as you can see from the background, it turns out great. So, to do our half square triangle, there are many techniques, but one of the simplest ones, very common, is to take your background fabric, draw a line, a nice pencil line from point to point. Then go to your machine and sew a 1/4 inch from each side. As you can see, I've already done. Then we're going to cut on that pencil line, and we now have 2 half square triangles to go into our block. Go to your iron and you're going to press, and I gently press the seam to the dark. So we do a nice quick press on our triangles, and then we need to square them up. Now to square them up is real easy. Get a square that has a nice diagonal line on it, and that diagonal line is what we're going to place on our seam line. And then we will trim 2 sides, and I like trimming all 4 sides when I do this. So then I turn it, and now I line it up on the exact size of our block, and then I'm going to trim those 2, and now I have a beautiful block to sew into, actually a beautiful square to sew into my block. And as you can see, I have laid out another colorway. So this is a great one to use up your scraps to create just a constant to create our circle. Use up your scraps for the rest of it. Lay it out, sew it together. A single one would make a beautiful pillow. 4 of these together out of some children's prints would make a great child's blanket. But it's just one to have fun with, whether you want to keep it coordinated or just extremely scrappy. So check out our website at junctionfabric.com, and the pattern is Camdens Circle. And I hope you enjoy this video, and check there's a button somewhere. Check it. See it to like it. And thank you for watching us here at Fabric Junction.